Tiga tutaebu ni mapema lori na Matiang'i kusutuyo.
Mine tingo ye Jubilee kero tutaebe na bandu ondeta basegojo ondeta yo ya
aba gusiyo yakuru Richard Monyonga, the Senate of Kisii County, a friend of Dr. King of Fred Matiang'i politically gatuko barabara agote abanga in 2027 na umagochara Matiang'i Jubilee lakini insana mochara kiama kende kionzi kegote abanga ngire na Matiang'i marore siasa iwaku gusiga iwaku siko ya gusi aso muntu kabisa gochote abanjine yo Matiang'i gosindire muntu ogete mambiyogoli ruchire Wasikwa makonyora in 2022 kechukura chiagetu Raila Amolo Odinga na the majority parliamentarians. But ya senye nchi byame bingi akamuka kanyori kyameke lika northern part of Kenya kemuke ni chim picture ye wa William Ruto. Eventually wakabu majority raisi. Wono no wale serikali. Raila akaburi chiunguru ara control the National Assembly. Chi bills chigeta chira very painful uchasa ba Kenya because they did not have the control of the National Assembly, not even the Senate. So Onyonga is directing the county or made the two counties of Kisii and Nyamira to the same direction. Ngana mochora Matiang'i gorali, alafu nsa mochora ndebwense. Look at iga. Ebi ntombiro a party leader ko se presidential candidate na review komenda ko announce. Ebi ntombiro gusi ko katwancha na mrava gusi. Bibendo ko announce by one person. Eka mo kiaboneke. A party. Matiang'i kwandire a party Jubilee. Aningo nendo gocha watatavia ngagando chiana gocha. E party eko ba announce no mondo lito irako bako. Onye aba gusitu amwire Matiang'i. Tiga totegere Matiang'i. Let us be very honest. If you ngozi nini mu imogeti Matiang'i mukamuleta nini mugate banga nera Matiang'i. Onye unkane roche to ku Matiang'i ko airport. Na wata tetinga bachiro ku Matiang'i. Na wata tetinga Matiang'i tubwate. Na wako tekiro mundu Matiang'i oro. Boni go tone down of course. Lakini bono roche inki moko mo tebera mama wekere mo time mixed signals. What for? Bono already as we speak today. Onyonga is tande go tanaki na mama gochoro ndo bwansinsa yawano Jubilee yabu nachirunera maguru egendo kende umuntu abantu ukwana byeka nichi partners chi presidential candidate. There is no way engoko eragana kuri Sifuna era des Matiang'i. No way Matiang'i kuboka batabinga twanda Sifuna gose Sifuna no musanito muna wana tatabiri Peter Munya ne ala yae na PNU period. Lakini tali ngonyonga chikuli Peter Munya amadavinga Peter Munya ndeta ko kolatera Matiang'i. No way sikama Matiang'i onya bagusiba moireke chinguru simple and clear. Sikama Matiang'i tekonya alikananga mugumo kalero Matiang'i mo support mambi ebintu mo kwana very mixed mo support Matiang'i. That is not ideal. Narone siasa chinza mo chinde chagusi lakini yagusi era yango anya mpaka nyongo ojukire yango sirenje yagusi. It has scared me. Onde teyo okurumu semamule yentonkeyo clear. Ase kingo taveranga tikatote gerre ekiongozi ekemo. Number 1, itogo siri confusion. Oroche Matiang'i ochire ligo maward. Abati candidate saba. Oyo UPA, oyo PLP, oyo PDP, alafu oyo Jubilee naro. Atwale candidate saba. Na kyako imoka erebieka ko byate ne Jubilee na kyako imoka ba to Jubilee ko bakati ka bande na kyako imoka to Jubilee tika bande onyote bere bonsi na bae okunuko ko create confusion go sina kyako babata bonsi bya bimuke amako ko rabatenga choro imutaite okunuko create confusion. We want obachori bagusi onye kema Matiang'i go stick na to the Young Jubilee Party where the nomination tumanyenga the MP to bwate 2027 ya Jubilee. The governor to buate eya Jubilee. The senator to buate eya Jubilee. The women rep to buate eya Jubilee. GMC echiro eya Jubilee. That is important. Kusiri confusion as a ballot. Umongo gurwe kinyo mali ata ebineli ruma. Kawe kali amaruma ara mangi. It is just one. Let's avoid the confusion. Creating confusion towards 2027. Number 2. Development. Umara bintu bya Nyamira. Bantu batali ku Nyamira tiamba experience kira. In Nyamira a governor have almost impeached, I think, 4 or 5 times. Ikamanya konyali kananga, Matiang'i tabu wate ni control, ara kiribi ntogale. Ase ntu bantu balengo, abandu BDM, abandu wa UPA, abandu osenguru warali. So there's no way oralete order. Chise given a chiri chikoleta, chigosali magendro. Inaki, a budget ya weta, te weta. Into bya goru, bigo koru. Kwa konyoranga, magendro te wikira bananchi. Poni Nyamira ntubu ati initiatives chikuru ase county uchaga chipara chioka chikole muchioka njira chatikero ntubwati serious developmental projects chikocha asengencho wa MCAs wasted almost 2 years wali chiseki tubwati county assembly renga ibere yamonya mira ende keroka na matiangi tubwati say because the people who are elected are not in his docket ikama konyali kananga abantu bagusi nyamira county bawetra mechando para nchiyo ekafana kekoboliwa aba MCA bakondwani magendro tayo ekafana kekoboliwa aba MCA bakondwani amagendro akera nanse in Nyamira county pone in 2027 twasi umungo monto cholru uyo PDP for instance tumanyora PDP ya gorutu na rutu tutamaiti na ubali the majority in the county assembly ya Nyamira pasha kekio sibunecho na kimati yanyo konye county kumaita di chiko karibu watu CMC cheche budget you have approved alafu mao correct koleta magendro how will mati control that institution ne yura ikira na kiago so without a problem range CMC ate inchuga karansa ningie kebe na kiara ba control enye kiama kiri in charge dali kiai anyora ba jubire wa CMC sato abande boss people review mao wakani rukivyao wache kuimpeach governor goseko kora kiango eventually matiange ko ba sabotaged kurunka aba gusitogera na mega kurunka ito witera to tweak so there is a need for us to have order as a kiam nechi partners chama tiange we cannot get onyonga no se partner uchia matiange no se chai uchia ango kere te chai uchia kibagende te chai uchia who are we listening to nasimbara tina batava it is ideal bakwa ninga matiange tako nyara baro bachira sisifuna kusema enda sengu simbarati tumanyenga it's done and dusted matiange tabu ationde na review ko kagende se ballot na ramwe kama ni kutoa bu president your candidate agenda sango dikazo kutwara confusion is very unnecessary tato very honest ika number 2 kego sali ndiko twara unit tuiso ku accept towards 2027 tonyole party chinyinge kurwa gusi chinde chiko goru na Ruto medana ba kunyara akuchikora eventually nyora ba gusi chemzenjiro chiko kwana kuchia echine chiro chiko kwana kuchia. How will we achieve unity to what the CMC chiko kole ndu byabo wasiji mpugusi yachi ata 9 wasiji governor kurwa chire kando how do we get unity from the Gusii region ntoko ba united tolikele bisa kubya chiramu kere abasigizi bacho latando ba UDA boka in 2022 they remained united paka boniga morocheli ogyo morochi oboroburu they are heading towards 2027 but as one thing igasa kwekema. That is what we call unity from a party. A party ego unite kiromo. Keruta ko angelie meeting yechi parliamentarians. Abantu bago 100% n'abasigizi. Musigizi tayo lesiko. Lakini weka gusia abantu moto zituchutu alivya 100. Oyo gwanchanje oyo nchotancha. How is Matengo to control them? How will we achieve unity kuno mugusi? Teko nyaleka. The other danger to go face ni tuasi munga Matiang'i buro president. Kose Linda Mwananchi kose anybody in the united opposition obiro president. And then ema ko nyaleka nanga bono TMP njia chore tugusi kure bya bingo. Pima ko guru. Will Matiang'i have numbers in parliament? No. But if I come upon Jubilee, there are disciplinary actions that can be taken against any leader who does anything against the stand of the party. But Bono Nyong'o is encouraging us to have all these parties coming up. How will that work? Why all these mixed reactions when we are pushing as a team? The presidential candidate. The presidential candidate. He was the favorite. Right now we are struggling. Look at the Jubilee Party, not performing well nationally. We have to stop this confusion. Onye mwatu weche Matiang'i na nyale. Mwale ko mu encourage. Hache. Mwaro to kani to stikina Simbarati. Simbarati atu ire serikali. Asu ire serikali tobe ero tutam. Lika moko leta Matiang'i nino mucha akomugaruka. Mwende simoko kenda kuchi. Kosonya wantu bahakanire. Tiyote bunga this one and so have been paid to sabotage Matiang'i. So that we know this is where we have no Gusii. Ndugu tuwara presidential candidate tuko mwanachama goro. Tu expect ya tuletero bugana. Hatuletera magendro. Haya. Tuwasi munga Matiang'i tarabu edu president. First round, ndugu at 50+1. Crowd could negotiate for a cake at the national table. Nichi mpia batu kuru mega njiri ya Jubilee. Na kiko nyarikana abe considered. Yet William Ruto can go direct to those MPs, to the individual party leaders. Hawaire. Why should why does he have to go through Matiang'i? But there's all the 15 or 16 members of parliament from the Gusii region, plus Nakuru ya Samuel Arama. Matiang'i will have a big say. Tiga tuta ibugo ni ya mapema. Nole na Matiang'i kwa tuyo.